Recently, a news getting viral about a suicide pod in Switzerland. What is the news and what has happened? Swiss police have launched an investigation after a woman died in a suicide pod. Several people have been taken into custody and face criminal charges, the authorities announced on Tuesday. The action came after police learned that the Sarko suicide capsule had been used in a forest area the previous day. Those detained are suspected of inducement and aiding and abetting suicide, regional police said in a statement. Four men arrested after suicide pod is used for first time in Switzerland. A spokesperson for the group behind the capsule, The Last Resort, said the deceased was a 64-year-old American woman who had been suffering from a severely compromised immune system. A 64-year-old US woman this week became the first person to end her life using the controversial suicide pod in Switzerland. Several people were arrested shortly afterwards on suspicion of inciting and aiding and abetting suicide, reported by BBC. A handout picture released by the Last Resort and taken on the morning of September 23, 2024, shows the sarcopod at the location where it was allegedly used by a 64-year-old American woman. The American woman who has not been named used the portable 3D printed chamber called Sarko to end her life on Monday in Switzerland. Sarko sought for Sarphagus is a controversial suicide pod that enabled its occupant to kill themselves at a press of a button. She had been suffering from for many years from a number of serious problems associated with severe immune compromise. The statement said the death took place in an open air under a canopy of trees at a private forest retreat. The statement added, describing her death as peaceful, fast, and dignified. Police have opened a criminal proceeding against several people for inducement and aiding and abetting suicide, and several people have been placed in police custody. A police statement said. Police said the pod was used on Monday at a woodland retreat in the Marichon area, which lies near the Swiss-German border. Cops were tipped off about the use of Sarco by a law firm. Active euthanasia is banned in Switzerland, but assisted dying has been legal for decades. However, it is strictly regulated, and the suicide pod has raised a host of legal and ethical questions. The pod can be operating using a button on the inside, allowing occupants to end their lives without medical supervision, peaceful, dignified. How does the Sarko capsule works? In short, we know that US woman become the first person to use suicide pod in her life. Inside the pod, the air is replaced with 100% nitrogen. This stops the breathing process in less than 10 minutes. If anybody want to die, press the button. A voice reads out the chilling 8 words message as a user enters the controversial Sarko suicide pod. The futuristic-looking capsule has sparked a global debate on ethics after an American woman suffering from an autoimmune condition became the first person to use the pod to end her life.